today we're going to identify the different things plants need to grow and live. We're going to learn about the different things plants need to survive and complete activities to show what I've learned. Yesterday we looked at our 5 plants. We talked about what we're doing with each plant so that we can see what happens in our science experiment. Our vocabulary: life cycle, plant, seed, seed coat, root, sprout, seedlings, young plant, and adult plant. You're going to click this picture below to learn about the life cycle of a plant. It's also a brain pop, but if you look right here, you can see that it's going to start with a seed. We know that. We're going to plant a seed in our soil, and then it's going to grow roots, and then it's going to start to sprout, and then that's when it turns into a plant. So watch your brain pop to help you understand more about the life cycle. Living versus non-living. All living things grow and change. All living things need food, water, and air to live. So that includes plants and animals. Non-living things are not alive. Non-living things do not need food, water, or air. So a desk, a plate, a fork, a ball, those things are not living. So what does a plant need to grow? Plants need 4 basic things: sunlight, air, water, and nutrients or minerals from the soil. This is the review of a life cycle of a plant. You start with the seed, but the seed has to be watered and oiled in order to grow. Also, you have to have sunlight and air. And then over here, you can see the finished product from growing a plant. Just like a farmer might grow a plant and we might get food from it, like beans. So how a seed grows into a new plant. The life of a plant begins as a seed. Once you plant and water the seed, it begins to germinate. The root pushes the seed coat. The seedling grows out of the ground. The stem and its leaves point to the sunlight. The leaves make its own food, and flowers begin to bloom and make seeds. Then new seeds are formed and scattered. So we keep reproducing all of these plants, and they're really helpful for us. We get food from them. We get to eat, and we get to watch the plants grow, so that's really helpful. You just learned a little more about the life cycle of plants. So we're going to complete the life cycle worksheet. You're going to sort the pictures into the plant life cycle in order. So we know our first picture would be seed. So you'll move that over to the box that says first. Then you're going to record your answer using the microphone tool. Think about the life cycle of a plant. How do you think that it would compare to the life cycle of an animal? What would be the similarities and what would be the differences? Take your time, guys. We can't wait to see how you did.